Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Now this one is going to be pretty specific. If you're new to my channel, this CO Guy stuff is my catch-all channel. It's for stuff that just doesn't belong specifically somewhere else. It's stuff that I'm interested in. Now this one is for 2021 Nissan Rogue owners. How to fix your wireless charger if you've got an iPhone 12 series. Here's the issue. With everything prior, I just came from an iPhone 10, no problems whatsoever. You throw the thing down in the charger, it charges. Doesn't really matter which way you put it in, it just works. 12s? Oh no, my friends. They don't want to work. And that's because the 12s have a new charging system. They use the MagSafe charging system instead of the generic. So some of the more generic chargers, the non-MagSafes, aren't working very well. Now my wife just got a new Kia Seltos, and she also has a 12 Pro Max, and hers works just fine. So it is hit or miss what particular chargers are going to be working with our 12s. But I've got a super easy, well, a couple different fixes for you. Let me show you. So first of all, here's the problem. Normally we can just throw our phone in. We should see that light come on steady. But no, it's blinking. That indicates a problem. So when you get that, you got to take the phone out, reposition it, and put it in some other way. Maybe it's too far left, maybe it's too far right. Try again. Notice it stayed on, and that's because I put this top edge just on top of these two little rubber nubs here. So I elevated it just slightly off the charger base. Now this is just a removable rubber pad. This is the actual charger here, an induction charger. So the issue is the MagSafe in the phone doesn't like to be really close to the charger base itself. So if you don't use a case, you can very carefully just make sure that that front edge is propped up on those two little nubs, and that's no problem. You can do it that way if you want. But if you don't want to have to fuss around like that, here's a couple other solutions for you. You can use a thick enough case. This is my quad lock. This is what I use to mount my phone to my motorcycles, and it's quite thick because it has this built-in mount here that actually clamps on to the holder on the bike. That works no problem. This is my Mujo leather case, and this is what I'll be using on it as a daily driver, and it also works. It is fairly thick. It's a little bit thicker than the Apple leather case, and it also is just thick enough where it works just fine. With the right case, put it in any way you want, and it charges. Now if your case isn't thick enough, or you just don't want to use a case, here's your solution for a bare phone. Take up the rubber mat, count out 20 Post-it notes. Just stick that right down in the middle. You could trim it down a little bit if you need to. Just put the rubber back in. And now you can plop your phone down without a case. And you got your charge. So I hope that helps some of you. I know there's been some people online I've seen with problems, and I certainly noticed it also. Love the car, but it's not bug-free. But that's an easy fix. Anyway, see you next time.